All right, let's talk blockchain. It sounds complicated, I know, but stick with me because it's actually kind of brilliant. And by kind of brilliant, I mean it has the potential to revolutionize, like, everything. Think of blockchain as a digital record-keeping system, but not just any system. It's like a super secure, transparent, and tamper-proof way to track information. And the best part? No single person or entity controls it. It's decentralized, which means it's spread across a network of computers. So whether you're into cryptocurrency, supply chain management, or just curious about the future of technology, understanding blockchain is crucial. Imagine a giant spreadsheet, not the kind your accountant uses, although, let's be honest, those can be terrifying enough. This spreadsheet is public. Everyone has access to it. Every time a transaction happens, it's recorded as a new line on the spreadsheet. This could be anything from a Bitcoin payment to the shipment of a crate of avocados. But here's the catch. Once a line is added, it can never be erased or altered. It's permanent, like a digital tattoo of the transaction. This makes blockchain incredibly secure and transparent. Everyone can see the history of transactions and no one can cheat the system. Now let's talk about blocks. These are the fundamental units that make up a blockchain. Each block on the blockchain is like a page in our giant spreadsheet. Imagine a ledger where every page is a block, and each page records a set of transactions. It can hold a certain amount of transaction data. Think of it as a digital container that stores information about transactions, like who sent what, to whom, and when. Once a block is full, it's chained to the previous block, creating a chronological order of all transactions. This sequence ensures that every transaction is recorded in the exact order it occurred. This chain of blocks is what gives blockchain its name. It's a continuous, unbroken chain that grows with each new block added. Each block is linked to the previous one using something called cryptography. Cryptography is a method of protecting information by transforming it into a secure format. It's like a super secure digital fingerprint that ensures the integrity of the chain. This digital fingerprint, or hash, is unique to each block and links it to the next. If someone tries to tamper with a block, it breaks the chain and everyone knows something's fishy. The system immediately detects the discrepancy, making it nearly impossible to alter any information without being noticed. It's like trying to sneak a fake Picasso into the Louvre. It's not going to end well. Just as art experts can spot a forgery, blockchain technology can detect any attempt to alter the data, ensuring the authenticity and security of the information. Here's where things get really interesting. Remember how I said blockchain is decentralized? That means it's not controlled by any single entity, like a bank or government. Instead, the blockchain is maintained by a network of computers all over the world. These computers are constantly verifying and adding new blocks to the chain. Think of it like a giant gossip circle. Everyone has the same information and everyone's constantly checking each other's stories. This decentralized nature makes blockchain incredibly secure and resistant to censorship. It's like trying to shut down the internet. Good luck with that. Section 5. But why should I care about blockchain? Okay, so blockchain is cool and all, but why should you care? What makes it so important for you and me? Well, for starters, it has the potential to revolutionize countless industries. Imagine a world where transactions are faster, more secure, and transparent. Remember those avocados we talked about? Blockchain can track their journey from farm to grocery store, ensuring their origin and quality. This means you can trust the food you eat. Blockchain can track their journey from farm to grocery store, ensuring their origin and quality. This means you can trust the food you eat. It's not just about avocados, it applies to all kinds of products. It can also streamline supply chains, reduce fraud and financial transactions, and even make voting more secure and transparent. Imagine casting your vote from the comfort of your home, knowing it's tamper-proof. But beyond its practical applications, blockchain represents a fundamental shift in how we think about trust and data security. It's a new way to ensure that our data is safe and our transactions are legitimate. In a world where data breaches and online scams are rampant, blockchain offers a glimmer of hope. It's a technology that can protect us from the dark side of the internet. It's a way to create a more secure, transparent, and equitable digital world. By embracing blockchain, we can build a future where trust is built into the very fabric of our digital interactions. Section 6. Real-world blockchain. It's not just about Bitcoin. When most people hear blockchain, they immediately think of Bitcoin, and yes, Bitcoin was the first and arguably most famous application of blockchain technology, but blockchain is so much more than just cryptocurrency. It's being used to track diamonds from mines to jewelry stores, verify the authenticity of luxury goods, and even create digital identities for refugees. In healthcare, blockchain is being used to securely store and share medical records, giving patients more control over their data. And in developing countries, blockchain is helping to bank the unbanked, providing access to financial services for those who need it most. Section 7. The future of blockchain, from healthcare to voting. So, what does the future hold for blockchain? The possibilities are practically endless. Imagine a world where you can vote online with complete confidence, knowing your vote is secure and anonymous. Or a world where you can control your own medical records and share them with doctors seamlessly. Blockchain could revolutionize supply chains, making it easier to track products from origin to consumer, reducing waste and fraud. It could even help us combat climate change by creating more transparent and accountable carbon emission tracking systems. Section 8. Blockchain for everyone, breaking down barriers. One of the most exciting things about blockchain is its potential to democratize access to information and financial services. For people in developing countries who lack access to traditional banking, blockchain offers a way to participate in the global economy. It can also empower individuals by giving them more control over their data and online identities. By breaking down barriers and promoting transparency, blockchain has the potential to create a more equitable and inclusive digital world. Section 9. Buckle up, we're just getting started. The world of blockchain is still in its early stages, kind of like the internet in the 90s. Back then, the internet was a mysterious and exciting frontier, full of potential but also full of unknowns. Remember dial-up modems and those awful GeoCities websites? They were clunky, slow, and often frustrating, but they were the building blocks of the digital world we live in today. Yeah, we've come a long way. From those humble beginnings, we've seen the internet evolve into a powerful tool that connects the entire globe, enabling instant communication and access to information. Blockchain technology is constantly evolving, and new applications are emerging all the time. Just like the early internet, blockchain is laying the groundwork for a new era of innovation and transformation. It's an exciting time to be paying attention, folks. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for groundbreaking advancements is immense. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, an entrepreneur, or someone who simply wants to stay ahead of the curve, or just someone who wants to understand the future, now is the perfect time to dive in and start learning. It's time to get familiar with blockchain. Educate yourself, explore its potential, and see how it can be applied in various industries. Because this technology is here to stay, and it's not just a passing trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we handle data, transactions, and trust. And it's going to change the world as we know it. From finance to healthcare, supply chains to voting systems, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. The journey ahead is full of opportunities and challenges, but one thing is certain: the future is bright, and it's just getting started.